Hello, my name is Polina Reutman. I'm a costume designer and fashion stylist, and today we are at Mary Meyer Clothing Boutique in Brooklyn, New York. And the question I'm going to answer is how to fit a lot of clothes into a small space. My favorite way is to roll the clothes. When you roll the clothes, it actually takes up a lot less space, and another added bonus is it wrinkles less versus just folding and trying to stack it up. So I'm going to show you, I already have two here on the table that have been rolled, and I'm going to show you how to roll the third one. I already have part of it folded. Now I'm just going to fold the other one. And this, I mean, it's all a preference. You could leave it unfolded. It all depends on how much space you have, but my particular space, I want it all to be this particular width. So that's what I'm doing with this shirt. So I have it folded here, and then I'm just going to start at the top and just start rolling it down pretty much all the way to the edge. And there you have it. It's just like a long little thing, and it prevents it from wrinkling. This is a great way, either if you're living in New York and a lot of people don't have a lot of space and you want to fit a lot in your drawer. If you're packing, this is a great way to put it in your suitcase, because a lot of times when you take stuff out of the suitcase, it gets incredibly wrinkly. But if you do it this way, a lot of times you won't even have to steam it or press it after it's out of the suitcase. And my name is Polina Reutman, and I just answered how to pack a lot of clothes into a small space. Thank you for watching.